Today we got a little bit of a DIY project. It's doing flooring. Now this is in a townhouse. The townhouse was built brand new, and when we look at things, we kind of get blown away. So let's take a look, let's see how this project goes and check it out. Just look at this. You know, this is a brand new place, or was a brand new place. And this is how they put things on. They use the wrong kind of tape. The seams are not overlapped. So you got gaps. So as far as sound and stuff, there's no sound. There's no moisture, there's no anything as far as barriers go. And this is what you call new construction. So you get these new builders that try to put out these townhouses and make a ton of money, but they cheap out. And this is what they do. What like really baffles me is you clean the floor before you put your underlay down. This floor is absolutely filthy. So this is something that a lot of builders forget. And look at that. I guarantee there's more wood, more scraps. I don't know, is that a tooth? Looks like a tooth. What is that? It's a tooth cap. That is a cap. Someone lost a cap. Oh my goodness. Huh. Okay guys, I'm going to show you a couple little tricks here. We're getting along pretty well here. We still got the baseboard to put on that can come at a later date. But I started with the wall that's there because that's the longest point in the house. So cutting around these corners, it's a little tricky. You want nice tight areas because there's no trim. And then here where you're actually cutting your floor, this is your lip, so everything's going this way. So in order to get your right measurement, you can measure it, or you can just flip it over, put it where you want it, take a marker, and mark it. So then that you've got that mark, and then you can take that piece that you're going to use, and there's a couple ways of doing it. I like the cutter, because it's not as messy. You don't have that sawdust flying everywhere. Now this is a vinyl floor, so it doesn't, it's waterproof. So this cutter is actually really nice. Just pull down the handle and you've got that piece that you need. And then make sure you've got the piece, the correct piece, to where you need to go. And then you just put it in place. Fitting some of these around pieces of like doorways and stuff like that can be challenging. So make sure you measure twice, cut once, otherwise you're going to be going through a lot of planks. So with these floorings, you've got, this is actually a vinyl plank, but see on this you've got a big groove and a big groove on this end, and then you got tiny groove. So it's just a click and snap. So if this goes in like this, you want to make sure that it's just like that. Make sure it's nice and tight, so you have a nice seam, and you just push down and you're good. So we got the flooring done in the living area. We still have the baseboards to do, got a bit of painting to do. But we can move stuff around and do more flooring, as you can see. That's our line there. But hey, got one area done. We got more to do. This flooring is so much nicer than the old flooring compared to it looked like it was from the 90s. Laminate, water damage. This is actually a vinyl plank, and it is nice.